Hey guys, and welcome to episode 2 of building a test kitchen. A few things to update you on. The room that we were standing in last time, it's obviously in a very different state to how we saw it last time. There were benches all the way around, and I have now removed those benches, and we're currently standing in the bones of a kitchen. I say bones because there has been a couple of complications. So a few updates since last week. Pulled all the benches out, removed the ugly paneling that was reflective paneling that was behind me. I bought a beautiful stone island. I have a couple of stainless steel bench tops, and I have a sink and a dishwasher. Now, the sink and the dishwasher are the cause of my main problems at the moment. Plumbing. Now, because this is not a kitchen, and the kitchen and the plumbing that is in this space is either really old and doesn't work, or not in the right spots, plumbing is going to cost me an absolute fortune. I don't know how much yet, and even if I knew the number, I wouldn't say that loud because it's making me depressed. Let me run you through what is going to have to happen, and if you are a plumber or you know anything about plumbing, you can decipher the cost for yourself. And then when you decipher that cost, do not say it out loud and do not post it in the comments, because I know and I don't need to know anymore. I know it. Don't worry. So the pump has to send water up and over to the bathrooms or the kitchen, and that is the only way I can get this sink to work properly, which is frustrating, but it is a necessity, and I do think that it's important for this kitchen to have a functioning sink. Other than that, kind of super happy with the progress that I've made and that we've made, you know, the people around. We have our door ready to go. Building is happening in a couple of weeks. I've spoken to someone who's building some shelves for me and some beautiful bench tops. So there's still a lot of things to do, which is shaping up to be a little bit stressful, but yeah, I'm super determined to get this space built. You know, this is a dream for me, and I genuinely think that this space is a necessity for a lot of people, including myself. So I'm not willing to stop short of some plumbing costs, because I see this as making an investment in my future, in the future of my work, in the future of a lot of people's work. So I think it's worth it. But yeah, that is the update for now. There's not a lot to update on because we've kind of hit a wall with the plumbing. But hopefully in the next 2 weeks, this place will start to take a little bit more shape. But I did do one thing. These windows behind me, right here, they had black paint all over them. I think I have some footage of me cleaning that paint, but it was ugly and it was blocking all the light, and the light that comes into this space in the morning is, I'll try and find a photo and send it. I mean, it's got this yucky green painter's fucking cover, but you'll see what I mean, and I cannot wait to shoot in this space. All that said, I told you I was going to take you along for the good, the bad, the ups and the downs. This is definitely the downs. But once we get over this hurdle, hopefully it's all up from there. I'm super excited. There's lots of fun projects coming up. There's lots of fun people that I can't wait to bring into the space and share with you. But until then, I don't know, maybe avoid building a kitchen and avoid having to do or pay for any plumbing.